Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I do a hot glue gun closure wig. So stay tuned. So some products that I'm using is the mesh dome cap, which I got from my beauty supply store, and a hot glue gun, which I got from the Dollar General. So yeah, the hair that I'm using is the Milky Way Pure. One of my clients wanted me to do her a bob, but she didn't want to put a whole bunch of money into hair, so I advised her to get the Milky Way Pure. It's budget friendly, but it's still some quality hair. And with this wig, because I will be cutting it into a bob, I started the first track above the elastic band. That's just a tip for when I make bob wigs, so that there is not a lot of hair on the nape of my client's head. So when you're making a hot glue gun wig, you want to make sure that the wig head that you're using is the same size or close to the size of your client's head. Because when using the hot glue gun method, the glue doesn't allow the cap to expand like it would if you were actually sewing down the tracks. So here I'm just applying the glue first, and then I am pressing the track inside of the glue while it's still hot. Yes, I know you will not burn your fingers, but you want to make sure that you are pressing using a comb or your fingers to press the track inside of the glue. And when you come to the ends of the cap, all you want to do is continue the S motion. So just fold the track up and continue to glue that way. That's how I do mine. It makes it easier so that you don't have to actually cut your tracks. And if you're using, some virgin hair, you'll still be able to reuse the tracks because the glue will just peel off anyway. And I am so sorry for the clarity of this first clip. My camera and the sun was not cooperating, but it will clear up later on. But yes, so I would continue laying the tracks the way that I explained earlier until I get to the top, and then I'll show you what I'm doing with the closure. With the closure, you see that I'm putting it more so to the left instead of in the center, because my client wanted a deep side part and she wanted to kind of be able to push the hair behind her ear. So I slid the closure over more to the left instead of putting it in the middle. And the closure that I'm using is the Pristine closure, which was also from the beauty supply store. Again, ladies, if you are on a budget, you can still look cute. And I will put a link in the description box to where you can find both the closure and the Milky Way Pure hair. And this is the only part that you would have to sew down. Just in case she wanted to use this closure again, I sewed it down instead of hot gluing it, because if you hot glue it, it just will not lay as flat as it would if you were to sew it. Even though this is affordable hair, we still want it to look and lay flat. I sew down the sides of the closure first, and then I sew down the back of the closure last, making sure that the closure is still about 4 to 5 centimeters in front of the wig cap. Once I finish sewing down the other side, I will sew down the back of the closure, and then I will continue to lay my tracks until I lay my last track going with the shape of the closure, and that will finish up the wig. And these are the finished results. I'm just showing you how flat and how clean the edge of the wig is. You can't see any of the tracks nor glue. But yeah, let me know what you all think, and thank you again for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.